Cause remember, you know, when I care about the haters and the naysayers, you know, we talk to the believers, the people that believe in a cartel and know say, when the world I say cartel now come a road, and this and that, I fight that on their road and now, and God bless with 10 million times more than before. So that will show you the determination. So if man a fight the entire system for how much years, as when I say almost 13 years, what is cheer up on a stage? When you see me, you see determination. When you see me, you see resilience. When you see me, you see faith. And when you see me, you see strength. And when the ladies them see me, they see Lent. Not Easter. Yeah. So I say, yeah man, we are going on the greatest performance, man, you see me? No, I'm not praying nobody charge man, but no bitterness in the heart, you know. Because every day I wake up, I know some blessing, you know. You feel like I pray no man, no artist, I don't care who I pray, my dog. I not pray no man. If a man that touch me, everything good. You see me? Yeah, because remember we're done with gangsterism, you know. But remember we are original. So you see, if a man that touch me, everything good. I not have up no man, I not have up no system, I not have up no government. We not have no bitterness in our heart. We just know say we're blessed. And we give God thanks every day. You see me? Yeah, man. So if a boy see me and put a hand on me, everything good, dog. We love everybody. You see me? Yeah, man. Made of steel. You know where I'm going. Yeah, man. We don't have no ill will against no man. I wake up and I pray nobody, dog. You see me? Yeah, man. I God free me, man. I'm a liar. You see me? Yeah, man. I'm a resilience. Because all heap of youth to say, lose them way of prison and go the wrong way and do the wrong thing and man, I'll hang themselves. All heap of things we say a prison would even start. Bro, you don't even know the half, dog. You see me? I remember, man, I come from a rich lifestyle and, well, poor lifestyle, but when we get locked up, you don't know where I make a whole heap of millions and we live the best life. And man, still hold it in a prison. And hold it, because remember, we are ghetto youth, so we'd have to chip back in our ghetto youth more than, you see me? Iron up. Yeah, man, I talk about, man, so we can't go through them judgment and them tribulation there and come a road say we are pray nobody at all. You see me? If a man just do them thing, yeah, just love man a daily, dog. You see me? As I say, remember revenge and watch myself, but you don't know, man, not pray, no hatred, no bitterness against no human being, man. Did you hear that? Man just wake up every day and feel blessed. You see me? And just wish every youth the best. Big up Venezuela. Yeah, man. This is a thing, the man. I see somebody say something about playing. I think she there one island or something, man. But as I say, no worry, man. As on the done see the lineup where that will be there, plus, just imagine this. Suppose say about 12 people up on the show, were book fee show. You know, the Empire, the Skilly Bang, the Labas, the Tommy Lee. More than that, I go pass through. Because remember New Year's Eve, and you don't know when the Christmas vibes chip in, you know Jamaica people go to work. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up 80, man. South Pass, say. You see me? Yeah, man. Somebody say me I beg you a ticket. When me see you in the street, man, you see me? Yeah, man, that's I think the people, man. God and time, man. God is the greatest. I will feel so blessed, you see me? Yeah, man. And that's I think the yeah, Virgin Island. When me there Virgin Island? I think I'm March, you know. Not Tartola. Yeah, I think so. So big up BVI, big up the British Virgin Islands. Yeah, you know, good vibes we I bring. Yeah, when I bring the bad vibes, good vibes. Yeah, man, that's the thing there. Yeah, I know that. What you mean forgive? Me not have up nobody, dog. That's why I tell you, come like your name did a listener, you just jump on the live. Like when I pull on they say you forgot dive. Yeah. Big up Nicaragua. Yeah, boy. We love to know like how the sea creature them love agua. Yeah, man. Yeah, somebody said, grab me. Yeah, big up Birmingham. You don't know anything said. The whole Birmingham crew. Yeah, man. You don't know. Drop top Juju. You see me? Yeah, man. That's the thing, the man. But yeah, people, man, I love and love alone, man. As I say, no bitterness in my heart. Because God bless me and bring me through the worst time in my life where I say, whole heap of man crumble in a prison. Crumble. Any prisoner can tell you that. Whole heap of man, you see me? And God say, you and your destiny that to stay there, so. And the world, I say, Kartel, now come out. And I tell you, say, evil people will love me. Give up and say, yo, teacher now come a road, you know. A man fight that right through on their road. What is true up on a stage? Because remember, you know, as I say, determination and my title. For your lazy John like you. You see me? Yeah, man, God help those who help themselves, Sean Stam say. See me I say? Yeah, man, God is real, man. Remember that, trust me, man. Fight to fight, man. Come out victorious, man, you see me? So, we know what to bring that good energy there and that come a road with me like you that vibes and no dog, we're not depend that. Come for represent for the youth, them and make them know some other don't dash show on the life, them look a fool way there and you know, cause we get it, we understand too, you know, it's like even with my son up on the interview, because some did stay, I'm stubborn dog, nobody couldn't tell me nothing. Because sometimes you have to pay for learn too, you know, you see me? Yeah, man. So, my wish is that whole heap of you don't pay for learn. Whole heap of you listen to people like we were been through it. And say, but then if Kartel can I say, Bill and Low certain is him. The man have to go Bill dog. You see me, because I remember in them world, you know, what if you don't have the piece of food for fight, certain fight? That makes sense, dog. A joke thing, man, then. You see me? So you don't have to be a knockis. Or look some vagina and be a gallus. Yeah, that's the thing there. Somebody say, where we see them, look, up there, so. I try on Instagram, make me not block you neither. But I worry about a woman, worry about your woman. You see me? Where your woman there, by the way? Make sure she not there no man yard. That you for worry about. Yeah, man. The minute where we see them. Wait, lady, where your man there? Your man go there up at your sister yard and give her advocates. You worry about people, man. Where? Boy. No, I'm not a black hair, man. I'm not bleach again, so I can't white hair. Yeah, but I say things set, man, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man, you see me? Yeah, man. How many songs do I have? You know, a whole heap of song, man. More than 2G. More than 2K what a song. Whole heap of song, man. Remember, for the original Gaza fans, them know so we have songs that even release. But them dep on whole heap of mixtape from Scratchy B days. Cassette Jones. You see me? Remember them days when a cassette and mixtape or anything, so we have whole heap of song. You know people, you know see what go on. Look like my battery I got dead in a star, you know. 5% me depend. 5% me depend. Yeah, cassette Jones, yeah, dog. You see me? Tycoon, I mean, I squash that, man. Somebody said drop polite. Fucking not the Porsche, what a car. Merci beaucoup, au revoir. Yeah. I don't know. Big up on yourself, man, you see me? One Gaza nation. I love and love alone, man, you see me? Yeah, man. Have a happy Sunday, everybody, man, you see me? No matter where you go through, man, fight the fight, man, and just have faith, man, you see me? Yeah, resilience. Always have a positive outlook. No matter how dark the tunnel be, you see me, just walk till you see light. You see me, especially if he's a man, because remember, especially if he's a man, and especially if he's a black man, and especially if he's a poor black man, the fight they're harder upon we than anybody else. You see me? Yeah, so big up on yourself, man, Gaza Nation. Love and love alone, man, you see me? I want this under my nose. I'm out.